Yes, good morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the class with your science classwork notebook? Okay, so are you able to follow my lesson? Yes, that what is the name of the lesson? Wild animals, isn't it? So, yesterday teacher gave who I am I from this lesson. Then, how many who I am I puzzle I had asked you? Only two. One is about monkey and another is about what? Yes, is it about lion? Then what? Which one I had asked you? About giraffe? Then elephant, isn't it? Monkey and about elephant. Today we will go for another two more who am I, that is puzzle. Then I will give you two more question answers. Okay children. So I hope these lessons are very clear for you. Whatever I had taught you, if it is clear, we are happy. So that is not important, but the thing is what? You have to do the practice at home. Whatever the lesson we had completed, if you do the practice at home, then it is more what? It is more comfortable to home, not for the teacher. It is for you. Okay. So try to understand, try to follow your teacher words, and please keep on doing the writing work and reading work very perfectly. Okay. So come to the content now. Let me start with the puzzle. Get ready. Third one. Okay. I hope yesterday you had understand this. Who am I? Okay. Third one. I am a king of forest. Okay. I am a king of forest. I live only in jungles. I live only in jungle. Next one. I eat flesh of other animals. I eat flesh of other animals. I hope everyone is getting this answer. Everyone is giving this answer, isn't it? I eat flesh of other animals. What is this answer? I can't hear your voice. Are you all able to follow me? Yes, tell me now what is this? Who am I? Otherwise I will write to here. Who am I? Okay. Yes. I am a king of forest. I live only in jungle. I eat flesh of other animals. Who am I? Lion. Yes. Very good. I think everyone had given the answer. Lion. Okay. And another one. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. I have two legs. I have two legs. Listen properly children, and you have to try to give the answer. I have two legs, okay, and wings, a tail, comma. You don't ask me it's a big tail or a small tail, okay children. I have two legs, a tail, and wings. And wings, okay. I eat worms. I eat worms. W-O-R-M-S. Worms. Grains. Even insects also sometimes. It eats insects also. But I live in coop. See, I had given some clue also for you all to find out the answer. I live in coop. Which animal will live in coop? I say cluck cluck. See, one more clue. I say cluck cluck. Which bird will say cluck cluck? Don't take your parents' help. I think someone is asking to your parents, isn't it? You should not ask. Try to give the answer. Who am I? Try yourself. Come on, guess children. Who am I? I say cluck cluck. Who am I? Yes. I think some children has started giving the answer. I have 2 legs, a tail and wings. I eat worms, grains and insects also. Okay. I live in coop. I say cluck cluck. Who am I? Should I give the answer? Yes. That is answer is hen. Hen. Okay. So, what is the third one? I am a king of forest. I live only in jungle. I eat flesh of other animals. Okay. Here, don't place a full stop. Sorry. Place the question mark. Don't place a question mark. Here you have to place a full stop. For who am I? Place a question mark. Who am I? That is answer is lion. I have 2 legs, a tail and wings. I eat worms, grains. I live in coop. I say cluck cluck. Who am I? Hen. Isn't it? Wow, teacher, it's very interesting class for us. Yes, yesterday I gave 2 who am I? Again, today I ask you this two more puzzle. Okay. So, shall we start the question answers now? Okay. So, please write down very neatly. That thing you should not forget, children. Please, whenever you start my classwork, that your handwriting should has to be written very neatly. Maintain your classwork very neatly. Okay. The next one. Come on, get ready for the question answers. Get ready for the next exercise, that is question answers. Come on. Name any 4 wild animals. Name any 4 wild animals. You can write any 4 wild animals. Second class children. Name any 4 wild animals. Okay. Okay. Now listen here. Answer is lion, tiger. Okay. Then what else? Elephant. Okay. Then giraffe. Then giraffe. Enough. Second question. Okay. Shall we start now? Elephant spelling ELEPHANT. Elephant. Okay. Write in the cursive handwriting, children. Follow the strokes and write neat handwriting. Okay. Second one. Now the second question is, how do vultures help to keep the jungle clean? Okay. Try to understand the question. How do vultures help to keep the jungle clean? Okay. Write down. Now write the answer. Vultures, capital letter. Start from the capital. Vultures help to keep the jungle clean. Help to keep the jungle clean because they eat the flesh of dead animals. Sorry, because they eat the flesh of dead animals. because they eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay, flesh of dead animals. Okay children, is it clear? Yes, this is enough for you. Only 2 questions. Come on, say name any 4 wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe. Okay. Second one. How do vultures help to keep the jungle clean? How it is help us? How it was helping to keep the jungle clean? Yes. Vultures help to keep the jungle clean because they eat the flesh of what? Whatever it remains, no? What the lion might eat or tiger might eat, the remain part of the dead animals, okay, that eats which animal? Vulture. That is the reason that again the jungle has become what? Very clean. They eat the flesh of dead animals. Vultures help to keep the jungle clean because they eat the flesh of dead animals. The remain of dead animals, which animals they eat? Vulture. Okay. A hyena is there. So this type of animals, they eat the remaining of what? Dead animals. Flesh of dead animals. Okay children. Today this class is enough for you. So I gave 2 puzzle and 2 question answers. Okay. So copy down very neatly. And you have to not by closing your classwork note, as soon as you complete your work, keep on revising the previous class and today's class. This is most important for you all. Okay, second class children. So please follow your teacher words and do it. Don't waste your time and keep on doing the reading practice at home. Okay, and please and keep your classwork note also very neat children. That is enough. Okay, so if you write good handwriting, you will understand, or else it is very difficult to learn all the exercise for you all. That is the reason teacher is stressing on what more? Handwriting. If you write good handwriting, you will follow. You can follow means what? You will understand what you had written in the classbook. That will be very helpful to you. That will be very easy to understand, isn't it? For to learn and to what? For the writing part also. If you want to do any writing practice or doing any rough book practice also, you can do it. Okay. So please carry on with your work and do it perfectly and properly. Okay. Thank you children. Take care second class.